I recently stumbled upon 6 intriguing side gigs that have the potential to earn you over $500 daily or even more. What's even better is that these opportunities can be pursued from anywhere in the world, regardless of your location. Some of the options towards the end of this list could genuinely be life-changing for those of you watching right now. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Surprisingly, most people overlook a source of potential income that's right beneath their feet, quite literally: rocks. So, here's the scoop. There are individuals who sell rocks online and pull in as much as $220,000 per year. However, these aren't just any rocks. They're typically specific types like agates, jaspers, and geodes, which can be found all over the globe. Chances are, you might have a treasure trove of these rocks right in your backyard. People buy these rocks because once they're cut open, they become excellent materials for crafting jewelry, and jewelry makers are willing to spend substantial amounts on these rock slices. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. You have 2 options. You can either sell the rocks in their natural, uncut state, and there are people doing this, making tens of thousands of dollars per month. Alternatively, you can invest in a rock cutting machine to slice these rocks and then sell them in that form. Both of these ideas can be highly lucrative. If you choose the first route, you'll need to spend some time outdoors searching for these rocks, and there are specific spots where you can find them in abundance. Alternatively, you can buy raw, uncut rocks on platforms like Etsy for $20 to $40 per several pounds, and then cut them into slices that can be sold at a profit. Let's look at concrete examples. Suppose you purchase 3 pounds of agate rocks, and each pound contains an average of 7.5 rocks. You pay $40 for these rocks. If you cut them open, each rock can yield between 2 and 3 slices. Multiply that by 22.5 rocks, and you'll get approximately 45 to 67 slices. These individual slices can be sold for roughly $15 each. This means you have the potential to earn between $675 and slightly over $11,000 from a $40 investment in uncut rocks. Still skeptical? Many sellers on platforms like Etsy are already doing this, as I showed you earlier. Many are making hundreds of thousands of dollars per year, whether by selling uncut rocks or slices. Ever been munching on a delicious piece of fruit or vegetable and suddenly thought, I could make money online by selling the seeds inside these delightful treats? Well, it's a valid thought. On platforms like Etsy and Amazon, every day folks are selling fruit and vegetable seeds and raking in hundreds of thousands of dollars. Consider this seller on Etsy, for instance. They have accumulated over 70,000 sales on Etsy, and their entire business revolves around selling seeds, bringing in approximately $100,000 annually, which is over $8,000 per month. Just imagine how different your life could be if you were making an extra $8,000 per month. The beauty is that getting started is relatively straightforward. You're probably aware that most fruits and vegetables have seeds inside them, which can be planted to grow more of the same fruit or vegetable. To begin, all you need is a type of fruit or vegetable whose seeds you want to sell. For instance, if you wish to start with strawberry seeds, each strawberry typically contains around 200 seeds on the exterior. In theory, you could purchase a pound of organic strawberries for about $4, yielding around 4,000 strawberry seeds. You could then sell these seeds for about 77 cents per 10 seeds on Etsy. Selling all 4,000 seeds would net you around $38, all from a $4 investment in a pound of strawberries. I should mention that if you decide to go this route, ensure that the fruits you use aren't trademarked. Some popular brands like Driscoll have trademarks on their fruits. So, it's a good idea to source fruits from a local farmer's market to be certain that you're not dealing with trademarked fruits. Keep in mind that there are regulations around selling seeds depending on your state. I'll leave a link below in the description to an article that delves deeper into this topic. Now let's take a moment to talk about Cash App. In case you haven't heard, Cash App is revolutionizing the way we buy and sell Bitcoin. It's incredibly user-friendly, making Bitcoin accessible to everyone. Here are some of its features. You can buy Bitcoin with as little as $1. You can send Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network or give Bitcoin to your friends and family directly through the app. Additionally, you can set up auto-invest for your spare change through roundups when using your Cash Card. Another noteworthy feature is the Lightning Network. Cash App is the first public company to support the Lightning Network, enabling free and instant Bitcoin transactions using personalized QR codes. My personal favorite feature is the auto buy option, which allows you to gradually invest in Bitcoin on an automated schedule, eliminating the need to time the market. You can even set it up to allocate a portion of your paycheck to be automatically invested in Bitcoin. It's a pretty nifty feature. So, if you're interested in starting your Bitcoin journey, Cash App has made it incredibly simple. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. The other day, I was shopping on Amazon and I stumbled upon something I'd never seen before. After making a purchase, there was a section below the item that said Trending Ideas. When I clicked on these items, I noticed two small words that said Earn Commissions. This got me thinking, can people actually make money by posting pictures on Amazon? The answer is a resounding yes. A few months ago, we discussed a side hustle that could earn you thousands of dollars in passive income each month by posting videos on Amazon product pages. Some individuals are making multiple six figures annually using this method. What I recently discovered is that making videos on product pages is not the only way to make money on Amazon. You can also make money by simply posting pictures or by creating something known as an ideas list. Amazon has recently introduced a feature that allows people to earn commissions by creating ideas lists. Amazon will showcase your ideas list to shoppers as they browse the website. To start, go to amazon.com/ideas and click on Create a New Ideas List. Add your items and wait for Amazon to approve your list for posting on amazon.com. To ensure that Amazon recommends your ideas list to shoppers, there are a few basic criteria to follow. First, your list should have a clear theme, and the name of the list should match that theme. Second, your list should contain no fewer than 5 items, but typically no more than 25 items. Third, create a clear and engaging title and description for your list. Amazon recommends making the list identifiable and giving it a descriptive category. Finally, organize the items on your list logically or intentionally, whether by price or necessity. This is a free and easy way to start earning passive income on Amazon, accessible to anyone, no matter where in the world you are. There's a multi-billion-dollar industry awaiting for people like you to tap into. Lead generation for small businesses. Anyone with a computer and an internet connection can get started. Lead generation involves helping businesses find potential customers, often by performing basic local SEO tasks for them. Basic local SEO simply means assisting a small business in claiming their free Google business listing and optimizing it so the business appears on the top of Google search results when people search for relevant products or services. There are plenty of YouTube tutorials that can guide you through optimizing Google My Business listings. Other tasks you can perform include managing a business's social media presence, creating engaging posts, and running paid social media ads. In this case, the business pays for the ads, but they also pay you for your expertise in running high-conversation ads. With a bit of skill building and learning, you can become increasingly valuable to businesses. If you help a business generate an additional $10,000 to $20,000 in monthly revenue, they won't hesitate to pay you a portion of that to continue running ads that bring in more revenue over time. The succulent plant industry is booming, with people making significant earnings by selling succulents. However, you can take a different route. Selling succulent cuttings. Succulent cuttings are simply pieces of a succulent plant that can be placed on soil to grow new succulents. To get started, purchase a variety of succulent plants from stores like Lowe's, Home Depot, or Walmart for about $30 to $40. Cut off some leaves and start growing new plants. Then, cut off the leaves again and sell these cuttings on platforms like Etsy. Succulents are low maintenance, making them ideal for selling online, and they can be shipped easily. You can start this business from anywhere in the world. When it comes to side hustles, YouTube shouldn't be overlooked. Many people believe they can't do YouTube because they're not comfortable on camera, don't know how to make or edit videos, or lack confidence. However, there are numerous opportunities on YouTube beyond talking to a camera in a studio. People are making substantial income on YouTube by creating content related to gardening, drawing, video gaming, car repair, or even drywall installation. Starting a YouTube channel is accessible to most people, and it can be a game changer. The details of starting a channel are too complex to cover here, but I plan to release a comprehensive video on the topic soon. If you're interested, please leave a comment below, and if enough people express interest, I'll prioritize creating that video. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!